Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, this is a handpan from Kelazatine, and I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. So first of all guys, this is the gold one. It comes with this nice little fabric decoration on the outside, and it has 9 notes. It also comes with this carrying case with the handle and like a backpack, so you can just walk around, hike to your spot. It also comes with these 2 little mallets, which is awesome. It also comes with this handpan stand, which is really nice. So what does this actually sound like, guys? First, let me tell you how I discovered it. I was out somewhere. I heard someone playing one, and it was the same brand, and they sounded great. And so I decided to go online and buy one. When I got online, there were some people saying things that kind of made me a little bit skeptical to buy one because of what they were saying. However, I had already heard one playing and it sounded awesome, so I decided to buy one, and let me show you what it actually sounds like so you don't make a bad buying decision based on people who either just don't know what they're doing or don't even have one maybe. I don't know, because this thing sounds great. I'm just going to play one of each note so you can hear what it sounds like as I go around. As you can see, each note is on tune, is on point, it sounds great. And guys, my favorite thing about this has to be the value you get for the price. And just speaking from my experience, do I want to go spend $1,000 or $2,000 on a very professional one of these when I don't even play it, when I just want to learn how to play? And this thing sounds very good. I've gone online and listened to some more expensive ones, and if I'm not a professional, which I'm not, there is a difference, but it's not that much of a difference for me to spend $2,000 instead of what I spent on this thing, guys. And so I just highly recommend this product. It sounds great, and it's a great value for what you get, and it's fun, it's easy to learn. I just highly recommend this product, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.